Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Uber earnings to your US debit card, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Uber earnings to your US debit card, start by opening the Uber driver app on your smartphone. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Earnings option to view your current balance. Look for the option that says Cash Out or Withdraw. Choose your desired amount that you wish to cash out. Select your US debit card as the destination for your funds. If you haven't linked a debit card yet, you will need to add one. Follow the prompts to enter your debit card information, ensuring it is accurate. After confirming your debit card details, proceed to the Cash Out confirmation screen. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, press the Confirm or Cash Out button to complete the transaction. You should see a notification indicating that your funds are being processed. Typically, cash outs to your debit card are completed within minutes. However, it may take longer depending on your bank's processing times. Keep an eye on your bank account to verify that the funds appear. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section in the Uber driver app for assistance. Now you know how to withdraw your Uber earnings to your US debit card with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.